We just keep rolling up above average daytime highs. Monday was another warm one. The hot spot in our state, 98 degrees at Butler. Second in line was Eric at 96 degrees. 69 of Mesonet's 121 sites had an afternoon high in the 90s. It's not just the daytime highs that are above normal, but the nighttime lows too. Monday morning, there were some lows typical for March, 40-degree temperatures in the Panhandle, but most of the state had morning lows in the 60s. Wilburton had the warmest minimum air temperature Monday morning, 68 degrees. 76 Mesonet sites had a morning low in the 60s. While the above-average temperatures are pushing early blooming and leaf flushes, our latest cold weather was just last week on March 14th and 15th. On March 15th, morning lows below freezing reached as far south as Altus, Ardmore, Ada, and Clayton. So here we are in the latter part of March, holding our breath that there won't be another wave of cold weather with freezing temperatures. Tuesday, soil moisture was showing some dramatic drops in large pockets across the state. They were the yellowish and light green areas on a map of the percent of plant available water from the surface down to 16 inches. Here's Gary with a look at our tenuous moisture situation.
Thanks, Alan. Good morning, everyone. Well, I hope you received rain wherever you're at, because we definitely need it. Let's take a look at the latest drought monitor map. It's been a while, and see exactly where we're at. We've had a quick development of significant drought across Oklahoma. We now have the extreme drought across the western panhandle, as well as severe drought across northwestern Oklahoma and much of eastern and central Oklahoma, and moderate drought covering most of the rest of the state, with a bit of clear area down in southwestern Oklahoma, and then other areas are abnormally dry, and in this case they're heading into drought unless we get significant rainfall. Now, one of the biggest problems we've had since early fall is the above normal temperatures. This is from the Climate Prediction Center. We do see greatly increased odds of above normal temperatures for that 3-month period. This would not be a good sign for the state and its drought unless we get above normal rainfall. And there's no indication of above, below, or even near normal rainfall for that same time frame. They see chances of drought removal or improvement across the central and the eastern parts of the state to be likely, but they also see the drought to remain or persist and also possibly intensify across northwest Oklahoma and up into the Oklahoma Panhandle. And then we see also development across the Texas Panhandle, and that would of course feed into drought intensification across adjacent parts of our area. So as I said, if we do get above normal temperatures through the rest of the spring, we're going to need a lot of rainfall to make up for not only our previous deficits, but also the increased demand from evaporation and from the plants through the spring. So let's hope we get some good rainfall and maybe some cooler weather down the road. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.